Good morning, stampers and crafters. It's Maria here with you from the Scrappiness design team, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a new product available at the shop, and this is called the metal die snips. The new dies at Scrappiness will now come tabbed like so, and I'm showing you the new layering nested dies, so it will go inside the scallop or the zigzag and things like that. The metal die snip, so I'm just going to share with you what it looks like. This retails at $6.49, and this is a must-have because you don't have to like bend them anymore. You can just snip your dies apart. So I'm going to share with you and demo how. And as you can see, it cuts the dies really well. And of course, in order to get rid of those other pieces, all you have to do is get like a dirty paper towel, like I have here that I've been using with my ink blending. And all you have to do is snip those, but then so that it doesn't fly all over the place. And that's what it looks like. So this is a must-have tool, and it retails for $6.49. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Try the metal die snips, now available at the shop. Thank you for joining me, and happy crafting.